Let's figure out what happens when US attacks these four countries. First, if they attack Mexico, America can feel it in days. Why? Because US factories depend on Mexican car parts and food. So if you break that link, cars will stop crawling, grocery prices will spike, and inflation will hit their wallet. Second, if they crush Cuba, Florida will have to absorb the shock. Because if Cuban power grid collapses, boats will float straight into the Floridan coast and US emergency response will be overwhelmed. Third, and here's my favorite, threaten Greenland and US security weakens. Why? Because it's a NATO ally and Arctic radar hub. So if you push too far, alliances will crack while Russia gains the ground. Fourth, if you attack Colombia, guerrilla war will come back. Because if US strike pulls the army into open conflict, rural areas will be unguarded and cartel and rebel groups will rush back in, drug production will spike, violence will explode and civilians will flee straight to the US border. So when US attacks abroad, it does not always stay a rosy picture. It comes back as higher prices, border pressure and weaker security as well. Follow for more geopolitical analysis explained without noise.